Hey guys, what's up? So today's going to talk about story tweaks for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Spring Device 5. And this is one I'll tweak. You need to customize the device the way you like it. More than 100 different options from number of the size of icons to home screen, animations, to even the most remote aspect of iOS. You finally have full control over how the device looks and behaves. So I believe this has to be finally updated to support iOS 14. So for customizing the device, this is one of the best tweaks. This is called Cydia Pull Down. And Cydia Pull Down, refresh your sources using a pull down gesture, only changes tab. This is called Short Emoji 2, brings back life to your keyboard, bringing tons of useful functionalities to your keyboard. Packed with tons of features and customizations to your keyboard, prediction bar, and keyboard dock. This is called Low Lock, turn low power mode once the device is locked. So you turn low power mode once the device is locked, reverts it back to original state once the device is unlocked. This is called Detailed Battery Usage. And for those when a simple percentage isn't enough, it has unlocks the hidden battery usage menu Apple uses internally during development. Found in settings, general usage, battery usage contains much more details than the standard menu, so you can see exactly what's drain your battery the most. It's called Audio Mix, and tweak to play 2 or more audio sources simultaneously. So it does not work with all apps. Sometimes the first audio still gets paused. Usually you have to start it again. So this week you can play 2 audios at the same time. Next is called Duo. Duo adds a second much needed page to the iOS 11 Control Center. With Duo, you can have the ability to add any stock or CC support silo module to the second page that reorders them to your heart's content. This is called Banks Patch. Tweak to disable jailbreak detection in some banking apps. Supports these apps right here. This is called Icon Spacer, iOS 13 to 14. Exclude iPad. So it moves the iPhone home screen icon vertically and adjusts the dock icon. You now have default 4, 5, or 6 can adjust the spacing between icons. This is called Anchor. It allows you to freely place your icons on your home screen. This is called Gridlock from Checkra1n. Post at Ninja comes Gridlock, powerful that allows you to arrange your icons however you like through drag and drop. This is called Amber. Control Center module flip switch speed to allow settings of Amber LED or both white and Amber LEDs. This is called Kai. And all your batteries at a glance. So there's any Bluetooth device that provides battery information. You can check the battery of your phone, watch, AirPods case, or from the lock screen quickly and easily. This is called Stay With Me. Prevent your last open application from being cleared from the app switcher. This week is called Twitter Theme Support, a tweak that adds theme and support to the Twitter app. This is called Lens 2, Ultimate iDevice Customization for iOS 14 and above. This is called Simple Status Bar, modern simple with maintained simplicity. This is called Smooth App Library, powered with iOS 14, including ARM64E, A12, A13 devices. It's a neat tweak that hides the footage background of the new app library feature introduced with iOS 14. This is called Local COVID Case Counter, and get your county or state's COVID-19 statistics from weather.com. This is called Brand Sonic Web Mobile. It's a mobile version of the free Mac Windows web browser. Brand Sonic Web requires iOS 9 or higher. This is called Smart Notifications 2, and it's in 2 parts. So one part fetches your Wi-Fi passwords to connected Wi-Fi's, and the other part helps you, save, and monitor your battery usage. Helps you monitor your usage for Wi-Fi and sell your data, free applications. Next is called Short Look, and your notifications at a glance. Supports iOS 11 to 14. This is called Icon Anos. iOS 13 to 14 supports preserve custom icon layouts by spamware crash or reboots. This is called GIF or JF2 or any iOS free spring animations from any GIF you want. And the last tweak is called Aquarius, and makes the lock screen player better. So beautify the lock screen player. Choose between 3 slick configuration options. Choose the opacity of the background of the player, choose the color of the label and the buttons. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.